Spring is finally here, so let's celebrate the turn for the warmer weather with a spring-inspired sweet treat. Today we're making spring flower baskets. This is a recipe by Taffany at the Keto Cooking School. So follow us along here at ChocZero as we make these white chocolate coconut baskets. Let's get started. This is an easy, low-carb recipe that you can actually make with your kids too. It'll be fun to get them involved on this one. We're going to be using the white chocolate chips by ChocZero for this recipe. ChocZero's chocolate is sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free, and it melts beautifully. We're going to melt around 6 ounces of chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl in the microwave at 30-second intervals until it's melted, or you can use a double boiler method too. Next, stir in about 2 ounces of unsweetened coconut flakes. Then add a few drops of green food coloring. This will make our baskets. Stir until everything's combined. In a pre-greased muffin tin, we're going to press in our coconut white chocolate mixture into each of the little muffin tins. Press along the bottom of each cup and along the sides too to form your basket. If it gets sticky at all, just wet your hands with a little bit of water, or you can use some oil and press the chocolate and coconut mixture into place. Then freeze it for 5 minutes until it's set. While the baskets are chilling, we're going to move on to our whipped cream mixture. In a separate bowl, you're going to whip about 4 ounces of heavy cream up until it forms stiff peaks. Now that our baskets have hardened, we're going to pop them out using a spatula or a small knife. Fill each of the baskets with about a tablespoon of whipped cream. You can use a piping bag to make it look really pretty, or just use a dollop of whipped cream. Now comes the fun part. You can decorate each of your baskets with berries, edible flowers, more chocolate chips, or fun candies. These baskets can be made up a week ahead of time and stored in the freezer in an airtight container. But the whipped cream part you'll want to make up the day of, just so that you have the best results. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, to show us all of your spring-filled baskets.